We'll guide you through how to remove header and footer space in Microsoft Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in a Microsoft Word document, and you can go and see that the header and the footer go and take up this unnecessary space. If you're not using it, you might as well go and remove the space that it goes and takes up and go and free it up. So make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what we're going to first of all do is you may have tried clicking at the top here, and this opens up header and footer at the top, and you may have tried decreasing header from top to make it 0, as that would make sense, but that doesn't seem to go and do it. As you can see, it's now 0, but the space is still being taken up. So what I'm going to do is just go and set that back to what it was. So to go and free up this space, let's just go and close out of the header and footer by clicking there. What we're going to need to do is we need to go and edit the sizes here. So to go about this, what we need to do is come to the top of Word in the ribbon, and you need to go and find the option for layout, and you want to go and click there. And this opens up, as you can see. Now, what we need to do is we need to come into the page setup section here, and in the bottom right, you've got the arrow pointing down. So you want to go and click there like so, and page setup then goes and opens. So we're focusing on the header and footer, so we're using top and bottom. So you can see at the moment, this is set to 2.54, but what you want to do is you want to go and set this to 0. So this will go and completely remove it. You could always go and set it to 0.5 or just less to free up more space, but I'll go and show you the extremes of removing it right now. So you can see both are now set to 0. We're going to go and click OK in the bottom right. And as you can see, you've now gone and completely removed them. As I said, you could always go and set it to something like 0.5 or 1, just to go and free up a lot of space, but that is how it can go and be done, as you can see. So if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more guides in the future.